X-Brand 845 here. Yo, we out here in the blizzard of 2021. Look around here. What do you see? Nothing but all whiteness out here, yo. Yo, we're gonna have a blast out here. I'm gonna give you a good old show. I'm telling you right now. You wanna know the reason why I'm gonna give you a good show? I'm gonna give you one big 3-word reason. Big boss horse. Yes, that's right, people. I got the big boss horse. It's right over there. We're gonna give you a good show right now. And we're gonna prove to see if this Traxxas is the boss of the horse. Let's do it right now. Two, not one. Two feet of snow.
2 feet of snow.
Like the count say, not one, two. 2 feet of snow. Ain't nothing.